Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. This is part 3 of my PV walking along the boulevard video series. So I've already done 2 parts. We're almost at the end of this boardwalk, promenade, whatever you want to call it. Again, more places for rent, unfortunately. Those might be living spaces actually, but the place up here, it looks like it used to be a business. So my limited Spanish anyways. So I have more statues. I like it. This is the most I've walked in months. It's not very pleasant to walk when it's 45 degrees and raining and windy, but right now, again, it's about 80 degrees and it's breezy, but it's not hot. Not hot at all. We got other restaurants up there with a nice view. More clubs. Some vendors. Yeah, this is if you guys have a little bit of extra dough, this is not going to be the cheapest place in Mexico to live, but it seems to be it would be a nice place to wait while the Philippines opens again, while Malaysia opens again, while Vietnam opens again. I know a lot of you want to get back to that part of the world, but I think this might be a pretty good alternative. There you go, McDonald's. So you can come here and get your Western fix. I don't know. I wouldn't come to Mexico for McDonald's. When I was at the airport, I did see Chili's and Subway and Johnny Rockets. I think there's a Johnny Rockets down here somewhere too. Looks like there's a casino back there. I don't know if you can see the sign that says casino. There's a casino, if you're into that. Ice cream, massages. Yeah, we'll walk down one of these streets. That's pretty much the end of the boulevard right there. Remember I was telling you Senor Frogs? They have all these souvenir stores. So here's another one. There's a place called Rocker. I don't know if that's a club or whatever. Hotel Rosita. It's like an older hotel. Leather shop. Hey. That guy put on his mask when he realized he was being watched. Well, I realized he was being filmed, I should say. Again, you guys can see it. People are pretty good for the most part about it. So here's a little beachfront restaurant right there. I don't know if you can see with the sun. They got CRs over there for 7 pesos. So similar, it looks like similar quality to the Philippines. And you still have to pay for them. And another weird statue. I guess the boardwalk does continue a little bit more. So here's one of those resorts. I don't know if this is the Hotel Rosita. I don't know if it's one of those all-inclusives or not. Probably not. It looks a little small. But we got a pool right here along the beach. We got a restaurant there in the background. This might be a good place to stay. I don't know how cheap or how expensive it is, but I don't know, it might be worth staying. not easy for people to get in. Thankfully, it's gated, so there is a little bit of privacy. So yeah, if you come to PV, you want a beachfront. Doesn't get more beachfront than this. Try this Hotel Rosita. Anyways, this is the last of the daytime videos I'll do along this route. In about 2 hours, it'll be sundown. So I'll be doing I'll do a video or two after dark to see how things are. See if anything is different. So here's a little bit of the beach. Of course, the nice beaches are not going to be here. They're going to be north and south of town. But not bad for a city beach. Not bad at all. Another nice view here. I'm sure if you have some extra dough lying around, you can rent yourself a nice pad along here in these older buildings. Water temperature this time of year, I was reading on Wikipedia, is about 77 degrees. So it's not as warm as the Philippines, but not as cold as California this time of year. So people are swimming, people are doing okay. So we'll finish up this video. We'll kind of walk down these side streets a little bit. I will be doing some more neighborhood walks. There are other parts of town, obviously, so we'll try to get there in the next couple days. I'm here for at least 5 days, maybe longer. I don't have a return ticket yet because I don't know how long I want to be here yet. But from what I see so far, maybe I want to hang out a while. There's kind of a local's house, local street. Probably not going to be cheap to live on this street. If you want to get an idea of what things cost here, check out Airbnb and see what it costs to rent a room. It is a little bit more expensive than, let's say, Mexico City or Guadalajara. It's the same thing everywhere. People want to be located at a beach. So, if you go to Phuket in Thailand or Boracay in the Philippines or Da Nang in Vietnam, it's all going to be the same. It's going to be pricey. It's going to be more pricey than the non-beach locations. I just want to kind of see before I end this video what this plaza is. Oh, by the way, this, I don't know how you call it, but it's like the Mexican version of 7-Eleven. You can buy pretty much anything that a convenience store would buy. You can reload your phone, prepaid phone, through here. Oh, apparently I'm walking on a bike path. See that? So I should stick to the footpath so I don't get my ass run over. Oh, yeah, there's another plaza with another nice church. All right, so we're gonna end part 3 here. So that wraps it up for the PV Boardwalk series. Again, I'll do some nighttime videos a little bit later. We'll upload them and we'll talk about other topics. I'm gonna be talking about wrapping up 2020. What happened to me and this channel in 2020. I'll do another video on the plans for 2021, at least the tentative plans. And then we'll talk about visa changes in another video. Things are evolving, let's just say, as time goes on. So places are getting a little bit easier to get to than they were just, a month ago or 3 months ago. So that is good. All right, so again, please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate all 2,341 of you. So again, for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason. Please take care. Please be safe, because I want you to watch some future videos. and I will see you guys next time.